Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who is there to protect you and who has your best interest at heart. Hi, I'm the owner of JoAnna Kraft Real Estate in Bozeman, Montana. I'm here to guide you through every phase of the transaction, from finding you that perfect home and making professional recommendations as to what you should or shouldn't do throughout the entire phase of the transaction. I will guide you through making an offer, on positioning yourself, on getting your offer accepted even when there are competing offers. I will make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, what inspections you should have, repairs, what costs are customary for the buyer to pay, and what is customary for the seller to pay. I will go over contingencies and so much more. I'm here to hold your hand and guide you through the entire process to ensure you make the right choice so you don't spend money unnecessarily. I'm here to be your support system and lifelong friend even after I give you the keys to your new home. Please reach out and let me help you on your way to home ownership. I've got you covered.